This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I'm logged into the free version of Canva. This should work the same on the desktop app as it does on the browser version. It works exactly the same. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. As you can see, I am currently on the Home tab here. I'm going to go straight down to the bottom, down to where you see the little profile icon. I'm going to click on the profile icon. Then I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up here, right up here, you want to click on Accessibility. And once you're on Accessibility, right up here at the top it says Theme, and right under Theme it says Sync with your system, Light Theme, or Dark Theme. I'm going to click on Dark. As you can see, I have now changed to a dark theme. If I wanted to change it to a light theme, I click on Light. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on Canva. Thanks for watching.